To register an Exodus wallet, start by going to the Exodus website and clicking on the download button to get the wallet software. Once the download is complete, follow the installation prompts to install the software on your computer. After the installation is complete, open the Exodus wallet and click on the Create a New Wallet option. You will be asked to create a password. Make sure it is strong and unique. This password will be used to protect your wallet, so keep it safe and do not share it with anyone. Next, you will be given a set of recovery words, also known as a seed phrase. These words are used to restore your wallet in case you lose access to it. Write down the words and store them in a safe place, such as a fireproof safe or a secure location. Do not take a screenshot or store them on your computer, as this can be a security risk. Now you have successfully created an Exodus wallet. To secure your wallet further, enable two-factor authentication. This will add an extra layer of security to your wallet, making it more difficult for hackers to gain access. To start using your Exodus wallet, you can send and receive cryptocurrency. To receive cryptocurrency, go to the Wallet section and click on the Receive button. You will be given a unique address that you can share with others to receive cryptocurrency. To send cryptocurrency, go to the Wallet section and click on the Send button. Enter the recipient's address and the amount of cryptocurrency you want to send, and confirm the transaction. It is essential to keep your Exodus wallet and computer up to date with the latest security patches and software updates. This will help protect your wallet from any known security vulnerabilities. By following these steps and best practices, you can safely and securely register and use an Exodus wallet. Remember to always keep your password and recovery words safe, and enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your wallet.